Hello, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch OLED version, or the other versions too, to your flat screen. Your flat screen has to be an HDMI port for the data transfer. And now we take the dock and we open the dock at the back side, as you can see. And there are 3 slots available. AC adapter, HDMI out, and LAN, local area network. Let's start with one of them. We have to fill up both, 2 AC adapter and HDMI. If you have no Nintendo Switch OLED version, you will not have the LAN port, okay? In this case, you cannot use it. Now, the first step in both versions, Nintendo Switch 2021, Nintendo Switch 2019, and the previous version, you have to dock the AC adapter by using the USB-C cable and the AC power supply. You can use it both sides, no problem, because it's USB-C. And then the other side you have to connect to your energy socket. This is to get the energy to play with that awesome Nintendo Switch. The second thing is the HDMI cable. You will have to look which direction your HDMI cable will match to the socket on the dock. You can see there are 2 edges. The 2 edges are round. So let's have a look now into your dock, and there are 2 round edges too. So that it is the place for your HDMI cable. The HDMI cable cannot be placed with both sides. This is not possible. You have to line it up and push it in position. Yeah, the HDMI cable is in. Job's done, nearly. Now it comes to a patch cable. The patch cable for a local area network is an optional thing. If you like to go online with that docking station, and of course with the console, you will need a LAN port cable, because this is faster than the Wi-Fi version. But this is optional. Of course, you can use the Nintendo Switch by using the Wi-Fi connection. So next step is we close the backlit of our dock, and we're nearly done. Let's go to the television. Here you can see this is so flexible now with that new dock. Let's go to the television. And of course, on the front side, there are 2 USB ports too for storage or other devices. Let's go to the flat screen. You do not have a flat screen, of course, but the screen, the television, there has to be, it is an HDMI port. This is really important because HDMI will transfer the data and the sound from the dock to the television. The first step is we dock in the local area network to our router, if we optional. The second thing is we dock in the AC power supply. And the third thing is we dock in the HDMI cable into a free HDMI port on the backside of our television. Job's done. Now, there are 2 possibilities to switch on your television. The first thing is, if you entered the console into the dock, and your television will switch on automatically. This means if we switch on the switch, there will be an information which is going through the HDMI cable to our television, and the screen will switch on automatically. This is the first position. This is the first option. And you can see we are now in the switch. Godlike. And the other thing is you can manually switch on your television, but then you have to look to the HDMI ports. And then you can do this manual by using the 4th button on your remote control. If you found the 4th button, you can switch to the HDMI port, which the Nintendo Switch is docked into. On your remote, there is a cable as sign or source in letters. And then you can choose the right HDMI port, and then you will get there to the Nintendo Switch menu, for example. And then you can have fun with that console in television mode, in HD, and on a big flat screen. Of course, it's possible to do this not only with a flat screen, you can have another type of television too, but it will need an HDMI cable or an SCART cable, which you will need an adapter for it. And then you can play the Nintendo Switch OLED version in HD quality. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.